Hello, future insurance professional. My name is Sherelle Walker. I'm the owner of a property and casualty insurance agency here in Nashville, Tennessee. On my channel, we're going to be breaking down all things insurance. I'm going to be showing you what it's like being an insurance agent and how to pass your property and casualty insurance exam. Today, on this episode, we are going to be talking about one of the very basic questions. What is property and casualty insurance? Everybody knows about life and health insurance, but property and casualty insurance is one of those things that when you hear the words, you're like, well, what is that? Well, in this video, we are going to break it down. So, property and casualty insurance, what is it? Property and casualty insurance is also called P&C insurance, and you're gonna hear me say P&C because it is way faster than saying property and casualty insurance. So, P&C insurance is a broad category of insurance that protects you against losses from your property and also losses due to legal liability. Let's break this down even further. All right, so first let's talk about the property side of things. Property is what protects your stuff. So think of home, your house, your car, your personal belongings. This also can include your business property or your business. If it can burn down, get stolen, get damaged in any type of way, then it would be considered on the property side of insurance. Then we have the casualty side of the P&C. Casualty is the type of insurance that protects you against legal liability. So this means that if someone says that you are legally liable for damages or they sue you for damages, this is the insurance that would step in and protect you. Think about general liability insurance, workers' comp, professional liability, or auto liability. Now, the reason why P&C is put together is because most policies have both property and liability included in them. So think of your homeowner's insurance policy. If your house was to burn down or your house was to get damaged in a storm and you needed to replace it or rebuild it or replace some of your property, that would be the property side of the insurance policy. But if your dog was to bite someone that was walking down the street, that would be the liability portion of it. Now, can you buy property and casualty separate of each other? Yes, you can. You can just buy a general liability policy for your business. You can just buy an inland marine policy for your business or for your personal articles as well. However, to be able to sell P&C insurance, you have to pass both exams. So if you're thinking about becoming an insurance agent and you're thinking about selling P&C insurance, this foundational stuff is very important into what you're going to learn further on down the line. Being able to separate in your mind what is property and what is the type of property insurance and what is casualty and what are the types of casualty insurance is going to be a game changer for you to be able to pass your exam. Also, if you are looking for a way to study smarter and not harder, I have a property and casualty insurance study guide on my website at walkerinsurancetn.com on the ebook section. I was an insurance agent that knew nothing about insurance. I passed my exam after 3 weeks of studying, and on the very first try, I passed both my property and casualty on the very first try, and I have created this guide to help agents, future agents like yourself, so that you can also pass with confidence. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will have weekly videos coming up about how to pass your property and casualty insurance exam. And then also drop a comment in the comment section and ask me some questions about what you need to know about the P&C exam, and I will be happy to answer it in some following videos. See you guys later.